Hi everyone. Another nice day today. I'm now doing this driver's side and I've made this, which will go in there as a ski slope. So that'll be going in there and I'll show you when I put it in. Right, this is what I'm doing today. Sorting this out. So this is where I need the seat room. Made a cardboard template. The bolts will weld into there. I'll make it out of this. So I've just got to do some shaping here. This will be the outer plate that sits on the bolt welded under. And I'll be back when I can install. Done the holes here. Here's the seat bolt right there I'm going to use. That's going to go. Oh, brilliant. That wasn't meant to happen. But yeah, we're going to make the top plate first, which I'll weld the nuts to, and then it will sit in there, and then I'll weld it all in. But yeah, okay. So that's what I'm doing right now. Started making the hump that the back of it sits on. Got a tap all around here. And then after I've done that, I'm going to make a plate under there with a bolt on for the seat to bolt to. I'm doing two, even though the seat only uses one, as far as I'm aware, because it had two, so I'm putting two back. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Now I've got to try and get that nut out of there now. Oh god. Give me back my nut. I'll have to use my compressed air run magnet. Right, back with you shortly when I've done that. Do that. Maybe. Body some bolts on the back. Penetrate through the other side, look. I'm just going to grind all that clean. That is bloody hot. Right, I'll be back with you shortly when I've placed it in. I'm going to clean all this up. I've dented all of this in. I've accidentally gone through a little bit there. Dented it across there, dented it across there and up there so that the metal could sit in and slope like it did originally. And I'm going to spot weld it as well all around here so it makes the metal thick. So yeah, back with you shortly. There you go. That's the plate all made in. It's got a little crease in there. In there, just got to grind all of this. I've seam welded it all the way around. I've just got to grind all of that. There's the bolt holes, and now I'm just going to put some spot welds around here, like a couple in there, a couple around here, so it connects to the plate underneath. And then that'll be another job done. And then I'll test fit this. These are not the seats I'm using. I've got new ones. So yeah, back with you shortly. Hello, there it is, all done. Bolt goes in there. I just got to finish. It's all grinded, smooth. Just got to finish giving it a little bit more, and then I'm going to put a bit of fiberglass in this section in, not over this, because obviously that doesn't matter. Just over this a little bit. Some fiberglass resin that I've got. And I'll be back with you when I've done that. Right, that is done, and that is ready for when I come to do body work. No more repairs there. So that's that done. This is done. So that's both sides done, ready for body work. Just got to sand the back one, grind down some of the welds, then that'll be done. And this side's done, and I can move on to something else. So yeah, getting there. Back shortly. And that's the back section done. Obviously all of this is going to be replaced, repaired. Looking good. All the ski slopes are done. So all done. That's the driver's side done. Sorry I never had time to show you the stereo and not fitted yet. I'll show you in the next video. Right, bye bye. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Hi everyone. I got my new, these are my replacement rails. The only one that I got new, well replaced, had a bit of rot. And there's one of them, so I've replaced the whole end. I cut that off another side. I think it was off a passenger one that was good on one of my old ones. So I've welded that in on both sides. I'm just going to clean that up now. And this is solid. That's that fixed. And I'll be back with you when I've done some more. Hi everyone. Right, this is done now for the time being until I come to body work. I started making the seat thing. So that's just got a hole drilled in it. The outer sill's painted. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Sorry everyone, I keep promising to show you this, but here we go. You ready? This is what my dash is going to look like. Wood in. Clocks. And no, it's not in properly. All this is still loose. No, I haven't bolted that in. It will be completely flush. Look at that. How nice that's going to look. Now let me go and get something else to show you. I'll be back shortly. Are you ready for this? Guys, this is the exciting bit. Look at that dash. Oops. Look at that dash. The clocks. And now imagine this. Boom. Oh yeah. Obviously the boss has got to go on here, but this is my wheel. This cost me 130 quid. Put that there like that. Look at that. I can picture it already. Oh crap, my steering wheel fell off. With my tunes. I had to have the one with a knob on it because I don't like buttons, volumes. Then obviously you've got this little mod here that goes there. Imagine when the dashboard's all gloss, black. The carpet's in. The crash pad's on. Racing wheel. This is a 14-inch wheel. Yeah, I can't wait. Can't wait to start putting it all together. I've also got all the window rubber trims, that weather strips that go on the outside of the doors. I've spent let's just say I've spent roughly £3,000 on cortina parts and bits and bobs. So I've got loads of stuff. What else have I got? Got a nice black glove box trim to go on there. I've straightened this out because it was bent. This is in my prep paint because I'm going to do a little bit of prepping. I won't bore you with that stuff. I can't believe it, even all the doors shut properly. The reason I'm doing it in this is because I've got to get underneath the car. I've got the back on ramps, I've got to get the front on ramps. But the reason I'm doing it like this is because I've got some welding to do underneath. And once that's done, I will then re-go over this again, and then this will be getting painted so far up there in the Cosmos blue. I was debating whether to just paint it black and as it's got the carpet, but we'll see. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. I hope you like it. Please like and comment and subscribe, it all helps. And I'll see you in the next one. And I'm sorry I keep saying see you in the next one, it's just I keep ending the video and then remembering the stuff I want to show you. The weather's been nice now, so I can get on with more. See you soon. Bye bye. Sorry, one last thing. I repaired my seat things, painted them. Was treated, painted. Them are my seat rails. Now, here's a biggie. I've done them, they're ready to go onto my seats. Now, these are my seats, which are knackered, damaged, rotten. So, instead, I bought these. Let me just pick this up. Ford seats. They've got these, and the good thing is that these will bolt to these because these are out of a Ford, and they've also got lumbar support, and they lean all the way back. Look at them beauties. Now imagine that with my dash, the steering wheel, my brand new black headliner. This car's going to be mint. Anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. They're out of a Ford, but the bloke who's bought them off doesn't know what Ford they came out of, but lucky enough. Let me just scratch them. But my rails will bolt to these. The only difference is there's the bolt. Mine goes up to that one, so I've got to put a bolt on the inside of this, or I might just nut and bolt that one, but the other one fits perfectly. But these are in mint condition. Right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.